Welcome to Auto Show, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Harley Davidson Iron 883, a modern take on one of Harley's most iconic sportster models. Legacy and design. The Iron 883 has long been celebrated for its stripped-down, blacked-out style and raw character. The 2026 model keeps this rebellious spirit alive while introducing sharper design elements, refined finishes, and a more modern edge that appeals to both seasoned riders and new enthusiasts. Engine and performance. Under the tank, Harley-Davidson equips the Iron 883 with its familiar air-cooled V-twin engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and urban agility. While not built for top speed, the 883 continues to shine in low to mid-range performance, making it a perfect companion for city cruising and weekend rides. Technology and features. For 2026, Harley adds subtle but meaningful updates. Expect improved rider ergonomics, an upgraded instrument cluster, and enhanced braking systems. These touches bring the Iron 883 into modern times while maintaining the raw, minimalistic feel riders love. Ride experience. The low seat height, forward stance, and narrow frame make the Iron 883 approachable for a wide range of riders. Combined with its signature rumble and responsive handling, the experience remains as engaging and visceral as ever. Final thoughts. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Iron 883 isn't about flashy horsepower numbers or cutting-edge gadgets. It's about attitude, presence, and timeless cruiser charm. Harley has refined the formula without losing the rebellious soul that defines the Iron 883. Outro. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. What do you think of the updates? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Show for more reviews and insights into the world of motorcycles and cars.